guys, so this is the tutorial for lover. Remember, it's a mirror tutorial. So my right hand is your right hand, my left hand is your left hand. So what we're going to do is there's a small prelude to when the song starts. So you'll are just coming in a group and you'll are grooving to the prelude to the song. Then we go right hand, we go pull, 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 pull. Then we go chest, chest, down, down. Okay? So ta na 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 na. Ta ta na 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 na. Again ta na 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 na. Again pull. Then we go left hand. So you're just gonna go out, 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 out. Yeah. With this, ideally, if you can give me a leg, out, 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 out. If you cannot, doesn't matter. Go with the body. Upper body is what everyone sees. So you go ta 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 ta, and then you shift around. From here, it's this groovy step where you take the right hand, you go down, 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 clap, down, 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 clap. From here, take both hands, you go hit and out. Yeah, so it should be like a chest pop. So you go chest pop, out, call left hand, call right hand. Yeah, from here you go akhlava. You go eyes. So you point at your eyes, point at the audience, and you scan the room. So go tara nara tara nara. Hands up, fire. Okay? So tara nara tara nara na 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 na. From here, you're parting, parting. So right hand, left hand, kudi, head desire. So you put your hands here and you do a small wave. Again. Ta-ra-na, 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 a baby to fire. Ta-ra-na-na-na-na. From your left shoulder, you take a small turn and you say, again, in this, you can say baby, baby, or keep your hand and say, just do a nod, nod. From here is where the chorus starts. Terani main, terani main. So hands go. You're going to go shift to the side. So just go slide, point, guitar, 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 guitar. So terani main, lover, ta ta tara tara. From here you go hand out, hand in, hand out, hand in. So I'm just shifting from the left to right. So you go ta 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 ta. Hands all across, nod, nod. From here, I know in the video I do hands together, but what you can do is get your hands down and you go wave, nod, wave, throw, wave, nod, wave, throw. Now wave, you can take it with your shoulder or you can just simply go forward, nod, back, throw, forward, nod, back, throw, whatever comes comfortably to your body. From here, you again hands cross, hands open, left hand up, right hand here, and you go in, 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 in. So as I'm doing in, I'm moving from right to left. I'm going in, 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 boom. That's the end.